Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Sorry for this improvised beginning setup. It's just that my room behind me doesn't have enough light and I feel like here in the bathroom it's way better. Today I just want to introduce you to a tool, an AI tool that I've been discussing with my friends for the past few days. It's absolutely insane. A few months ago, I remember this same company called OpenAI. One of the founders is Elon Musk. You probably know this man. And it was basically a tool where you could write anything and it would draw a design or a picture of it. You could literally write, I want a raccoon in an astronaut suit eating a burrito in space, whatever, and it would draw it. And I remember thinking, wow, this is like game changer. This can really put some people out of their jobs. And funny enough, now the new tool that they released is called ChatGPT can put people like me out of my job. At least there are some of the tasks that they can perform using this tool automatically and well that I do on a daily basis. And this is scary. I'm sure we will all adapt and we'll learn how to use these tools. But I just wanted to record this video because I am indeed shocked, surprised. But this is a positive way, because if we learn to adapt and work with these tools, our performance is going to be way much higher in the future, and this is what we want for our world. But we always need to be remain at least vigilant. So let's jump into this tool. I will go to my laptop there because I don't need the light anyway, and let's explore some of these capabilities. I'm going to write a simple request to this AI chatbot and we'll see what it can give us and what it cannot give us. Okay, so now we are in my laptop and we can see here ChatGPT, the tool that I was mentioning before. So in order to get to this menu, you just need to go to the OpenAI, you try the ChatGPT, and you just have to log in actually. So let me close this. So here is the interface. Let's start with something simple. For example, we are writing a YouTube video. We are actually doing a YouTube video right now. So let's ask ChatGPT, can you write a YouTube video script about, let's say, AI? Sure. Here is a possible script for a YouTube video about AI. It gives us the title, it gives us the intro, and now it's writing a YouTube video script. This is crazy. Up to, like, I would say, a few months ago, we could go to Fiverr and other places, and if you don't feel creative to write your own script for your own YouTube video, now you can just ask this AI bot to do it for you. And let me tell you, the sentences are really well written, so it looks like it was a human. It does even have the correct punctuation. Now there are different types of AI. The first is called narrow or weak AI. This AI is designed to perform specific tasks. As you can see here, it wrote an entire essay about this. Of course, this is very limited, some of the tools, because you need to think of this as an algorithm that is searching from information that has been trained on. So if I try to do something about futures or to export, I would say, or import financial statements for a company or any other live information, it's not going to do it. So if, I don't know, I'm remembering that Avatar is coming in a few days. So when is Avatar 2 being released? So I'm pretty sure this information is not in there. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to browse the internet or access current information. My knowledge is limited, blah, blah, blah. Still, it gives us a very personalized answer. I know for sure that it cannot draw stuff, so I'm writing my thesis, so let's try to be lazy about it. Can you draw a privacy calculus? This is like just some theory. Calculus theory model. So, I'm sorry, but I'm not able to draw images, so this is only restricted to tests. So, let's dive with a simple question that some humans might get it wrong. So when I was 6, my sister was half of my age. So it also gave us a description of what is a private calculus theory model. So that's nice. When I was 6, my sister was half my age. Now I am 70. How old is my sister? So she is only 3 years younger. And one of my favorite videos on YouTube is a guy trying to answer this, and it's absolutely hilarious because the guy that's recording it has this crazy laugh. So it seems it's not correct, actually. So I guess the AI cannot solve this problem. So if you're 70 years old, that means your sister is 70 minus 6, 64. No. When I was 6, my sister was half of my age. My sister was 3 years old. Okay. So she's just 3 years younger than me. So she's 67. If you're now 70 years old, that means your sister is 70 minus 6. No. But I think I wrote the question in a different way and it answered me correctly. When I was 6, my sister was half of my age. Now I am 40. How old is my sister? I think when I wrote with 40, it wrote correctly. But I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. No. Actually didn't write correctly. So this is a flaw on this system. And we're starting a bit strong. So let me write something that will impress you, let's say. So let's say that you're not a really good programmer, but you just want to write, can you write a script of a function that sorts lists in Python? I don't know if this will be enough, but sure, here's a simple function that can be used to sort a list. So, okay. Sort list. Okay, so okay, here is an example. Nice. So we created a list 3, 2, 1 and sorted list. Sort list will be 1, 2, 3. This is quite impressive. But let's do something that I would do on my job, or at least in this YouTube channel. You see me evaluating companies using the discounted free cash flow method. So can you write a script that does a discounted free cash flow calculation? And let's give it from a list of numbers that represent free cash flows. To make it simple, free cash flows from 2017 to 2022. Okay, let's see what is written. Sure, here's a simple script that can be used to calculate. First, we need to calculate the present value. Oh, and this is actually giving me different answers than the last time I asked this. This is very interesting. You could call this a free cash flow. So, okay, giving us examples, free cash flows. You have these in 2017, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So discount rate is 5%. Here is the length. So it's counting the amount of numbers we have here, the numbers. So we have like 6 years. And is applying the formula, which is written right here. This is absurd. Let us see. Can you write it different? Can you write it in a different? I was gonna say language, but can you write it in a different form? Let's put it in different forms to see. Sure. There's a modification. See if I get a different one. So far, very similar. I think it's writing the same way, or no? Oh, okay, no, it's different. Yeah, it's calculating in a different way. So here it's the normal cash flow formula, but here it even gives the explanation. This is absolutely absurd. And so of course this cannot export or import directly from financial statements of companies, but if you have them in an Excel spreadsheet, you can just go and like, can you write a script that does a discounted free cash flow calculation, I think that calculation from an importation of an Excel, from an import. This shouldn't be an importation, but I'm gonna write it this way: file that contains a list of free cash flow values from 2017 to 2022 in cells A1 to A6. So you'll have them spread like in the first column the values. So let's see. So you just have the Excel spreadsheet. You just open like Anaconda or any place. You just write your Python script and import. Sure, here's the script that can be from imported. God damn. So here it's saying to, okay, open the Excel file path, discount rate, so workload. So yeah, file path. So I would have like here the location of my file, free cash flow, append, the length, so it's seeing the amount of years that we have, and here is just the form of the cash flow. This is absolutely absurd. This doesn't make any sense. No, it does make total sense, but crazy. Actually, I'm sorry for focusing so much on this area, but can you write a script that does a discounted free cash flow calculation from a financial statement? I'm guessing it will generate the statement. Sure. All right. Financial statement, free cash flow, years. It's crazy how every time I write this, it gives me different alternatives. So, okay, it's inputting here the free cash flow discounted rate. I was expecting maybe to give us, interesting. Because the one time I wrote something like this, it gave me like earnings values. It generated a bunch of values, and now it's weird. So let's suppose you're working in the insurtech space, which is my case right now. It doesn't know my company because I already wrote it, but let's say I want to list the main insurtech players. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm not able to browse the internet with the current information. It's limited to what I was trained up on, which was up until 2021. Interesting. Because I wrote this a while back when I was like earlier today, and it gave me a list of the insurtech players. Maybe do I need to define it? What is insurtech? Oh, can you list the main companies in insurtech? So I guess you need to learn how to formulate. So I cannot, but I'm pretty sure I was able to do this, or maybe I'm just dreaming. So let's go for some inception. Write an AI script. So you're just basically, sure, here's a possible, you're creating an AI using an AI inception. Okay, yeah, of course. He's writing a script like it was for for a YouTube video. Okay. Fair. My mistake. Okay. Can you write an AI script in Python? Let's go. Let's see. Or am I breaking the internet by asking this? Oh, it's taking a bit longer. I don't know what's happening. Hello. Maybe it's my internet, because I'm sorry, the conditions I'm living here right now are not perfect. So hello, okay. Sure, here is a simple script that demonstrates the use of AI in Python. Okay. Oh, data training. So it's training a model. So we have data set, load arrays. Okay, it's split the data set into a training and testing set. So okay, X train, X test, Y train, Y test, train test split, iris data, iris target. Okay, model, a logistic regression. Then you have like predicting. Use the model to make prediction testing the data. Okay, I'm supposing it's predicting the color of the iris. Wow. And let's make it. Can you make it more complex? So I guess this is not because the chatbot is slow, it's just because my internet connection is quite bad where the place I'm recording this video. But I'm pretty sure it will write a complex. Okay, sure. Here is a more complex version of an AI script that uses deep learning to train neural network on an iris data set. TensorFlow, oh damn. So see what I was saying before, this will eventually replace a lot of the tasks that we do on a normal basis, or at least this will facilitate much more some of these processes. Is absolutely it feels unreal. I feel like we're supposed to have a bit more time before this was introduced to the public in general. But as you can see, this is already here, and if they have given access to the public, I cannot imagine what kind of powerful tools they have up to their sleeve. And other companies like Google, they just haven't released it, because I'm pretty sure it's very difficult to monetize this. I'm sure I can ask. Actually, let me see if you can. How can you monetize an AI tool? This is very slow. There are several ways to monetize an AI tool, depending on the nature of the tool. Selling the tool directly to the customers. Okay, yes, I guess they can make it as a paid service. Now that we got the taste of it, I feel like this is something I would pay. I definitely pay to have it up to my sleeve, upon my sleeve, I guess. Offering the tool as a service instead of selling the tool directly, the AI could be offered as a service. Yes, I guess so. Pay per use or subscription based. Or integrating the tool into a larger product or service if the AI component. Yeah, I guess so. They also have the other tool that I was mentioning earlier, the DAL-E. So I guess so. And if they have like this package, like I don't know, I paid the Adobe subscription, I would pay this OpenAI subscription, like you pay Netflix or you pay Disney Plus, and I guess we will be competing for the smarter AI or the better ones, or selling the data generated by the tool. Okay, yeah, not bad ideas. Can you give me more? Can you list more ways? I'm not sure if there are more ways, but see, this is crazy. I feel like I'm talking with someone that knows everything. So this was in a matter of seconds, something that would probably take, I would say, with some thinking, I would say like 30 minutes, 1 hour to write this with these new additions. But it's crazy. Offering support and training services, licensing the technology, partnering with other companies, advertising. Well, although it's going to be tough, no, don't you think? This could be in the form of banner ads. Yeah, I guess we can have banner ads on the side of this AI. Oh, I see. I feel like it gave me a really robust answer to a particularly difficult question. And this is it for today. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what are your predictions for the future, and will you be using these on your daily basis on your work? Are you scared, or are you more excited for the future? Maybe it's time to change career and learn how to build these models, or try to think ways that they cannot replicate. Try to find, I think I'm gonna mess around with this chat for a few more minutes and try to see where it's failing, and maybe that's where I should invest in the future. I hope you liked this video. It's been different, it's been very exciting to be here, and I'll see you next time. Bye!